So last year we, along with our school council, devised 6 new core values for the school, and one of those was unity. And we thought it was a nice way at the beginning of this term to start the school year with a whole school topic on unity, bringing the school together in doing activities which are similar to each other. And it's proven really successful. The children have really got a lot from it. They've used literature, and we're looking forward to the year ahead.
To me, unity is quite like being together and like being as a whole, so like a community, for example.
It's where everybody comes together and they're in one big group and they help each other.
To me, unity is it just means like being positive and caring about others and not leaving anyone out just because they look different.
As part of our Unity topic, we've studied a wide range of texts with a theme of unity to really help bring the learning to life. So in our whole school assemblies, we've been looking at The Invisible by Tom Percival. Our Key Stage 1 children have been looking at The Smeds and the Smoos by Julia Donaldson, whilst our Year 3 children have been studying The Perfect Fit by Naomi Jones. Year 4 have been looking at You Choose by Nick Sharratt, whilst our Year 6 children have been studying The Boy at the Back of the Class by Anjali Ralph. These are all stories with great themes of unity, which has really helped bring the learning to life for the children.
So we've come over to reception. I'm in Year 6 and we're doing unity as our school topic. So we're coming to bring letters to the receptions and show them around the school and show them how we're going to be when we're older and how they're going to be in their school. And we made them some letters for to introduce us.
A donut and a map.
So where do you eat your dinner? So he eats his dinner here, and where are you? What do you do on the day? Read all that.
I go home. I put my stuff in when I want to take him home. Then I have lunch. Then I go somewhere.
Milk and fruit.
Milk
And then listen.
You'll get my and then story.
And then where do you go?
And home.
Starting school has been a really exciting time for our new reception children. Due to the pandemic, they all have varying amounts of preschool experience, so it's been really important for us to develop that sense of togetherness and unity. We have spent lots of time in classes and as a year group, singing, dancing, taking part in team games and doing lots and lots of playing and talking to the children so we can really get to know them. It's been brilliant to form relationships with the children and see how happy and settled they are as they make new friendships.
So, this year has been a fantastic start with our whole school topic on unity. We're looking forward to 2 more whole school topics later in the year. One around World Book Day and one which we're going to call Children's Choice at the moment because we don't actually know what it will be, but children will be involved in the choosing of that topic, and we're looking forward to doing that next summer.